Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am doing another Christmas in July DIY. This time I am making a Christmas yardstick door swag. You can also use it as a centerpiece or a garland. For this door swag, you're going to need a yardstick, and you could spray paint your yardstick first if you wanted to. And we cut mine to 30 inches, but you can leave it the full length if you would like. You're going to need 2 rolls of the 10-inch mesh. I ordered both rolls online at Craft Outlet. You're also going to need some pipe cleaners, a cute sign. My sign came from Craft Outlet. The little peppermints, the small ones, came from Hobby Lobby. And you're going to need some ribbon with wire. First, you're going to take 3 pipe cleaners. You're going to take your first pipe cleaner, move down about 2 inches on your yardstick, and twist it around the yardstick and twist it to the left side. Give your pipe cleaner a few twists, place it down on the left. Take your second pipe cleaner, wrap it around your yardstick, and twist it to the right side. And then take your last pipe cleaner, wrap it around the yardstick, and you're going to twist this one in the center and leave it pointing toward the ceiling. You're going to want to move down about 4 or 5 inches and do the same steps. So take a pipe cleaner, twist it to the left side, take a second pipe cleaner, twist it to the right side, then your last pipe cleaner, twist it and leave it pointed toward the ceiling. And then you're just going to continue the same process all the way down. So move down about 5 or 6 inches and start your next set of pipe cleaners. Yardstick door swags are one of my favorite DIYs to make. So if you haven't been watching my channel for very long, I make new yardstick door swags for every season and holiday. So I have lots of tutorials on my YouTube channel. I even have a yardstick door swag playlist. So if you want something for a different season or holiday, let me know and I can try to link it for you, or you can go to my playlist. This is my second DIY for Christmas in July 2022. So if you haven't seen my first one, it's titled Oh Snap, and it's a gingerbread Christmas wreath made with 2 colors of deco mesh, and it is really pretty, so I can link that tutorial for you in the description box just in case you would like to check out that wreath. For this door swag, I did 6 sets of pipe cleaners and I cut the yardstick at 30 inches. So just remember, 6 sets if you cut it at 30 inches. I also added a little hot glue to the back of the pipe cleaners. That way I knew for sure they would not move or slide. Now I'm taking my mesh and I'm just gathering it in my hand, and I am going to make a poof for the very top center of the yardstick. So just grab it tightly in your hand, and I'm going to move to the top of my yardstick, the top center pipe cleaner, open that pipe cleaner up, and I'm just going to twist it around my mesh. Next, I'm moving down about 7 or 8 inches, gathering my mesh together, going to the next pipe cleaner in the center, and going to give the pipe cleaner a few twists around my mesh. And then I'm going to fluff my poof. Then I'm going to move down 7 or 8 inches again, gather my mesh together, kind of rolling the outer edges inward, going to my third set of pipe cleaners and going to take the one in the center, wrap it around my mesh, and I'm going to repeat the same steps all the way down my yardstick. Now for the center one, I did a poof at the very end when I got to the bottom. So I wanted the top and the bottom to match. Next, I'm making another poof for the left side of the Yardstick door swag. Same steps, gather it in your hand, go to the top left side this time, open up that pipe cleaner on the left, put your mesh in, twist the pipe cleaner around it, and you're going to be doing the same steps. You're just going to be making poofs all the way down the left side, and then at the end, instead of making a poof on the end, I left a tail. So about 7 or 8 inches, move down, make a poof, find the next pipe cleaner, twist the pipe cleaner around it, continue the same process on the left side, and then I did the exact same thing on the right side and left a tail at the bottom. So on the left side, I left a tail, and on the right side, I left a tail, and in the center, I have a poof. And then on the very top has 3 poofs. So the tails are optional. You can do poofs just to match the top if you would like. Okay, now I'm taking my mesh, and I am cutting it into strips at about 24 inches. So we're going to be making some woodland ruffles to go down the center of this Yardstick door swag. If you have never made a woodland ruffle or used the woodland ruffle method, it's a great method for keeping down the frame because you're going to have each end rolled. So you're going to take your strip of mesh that you cut at 24 inches, roll one end about 3 times and put a chip clip or clothespin on it. Go to the other end, and you'll want it curling up toward the ceiling. Roll it 2 or 3 times. And then you're just going to take your fingers and walk your fingers up the center of the mesh. Then when you get to the other end, just remove your chip clip, and now you have a pretty little woodland ruffle. Now I'm going to take my ruffle and go to the top of my Yardstick door swag, the pipe cleaner that's in the center, and I'm just going to place my ruffle in the pipe cleaner and twist the ruffle or twist the pipe cleaner around the ruffle. Now you're going to repeat the same process all the way down the center of your Yardstick. Just make little woodland ruffles and place them in the center pipe cleaners only. It's really full and fluffy now when you add the Woodland ruffles down the center, and you will have some mesh left over. Next, I'm taking some 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, just pinching it together, going to the top center pipe cleaner, twisting the pipe cleaner around the ribbon, and then I am just going to leave a little slack. I'm not going to pull the ribbon tight, leave it loose, and go the next set of pipe cleaners and twist the ribbon in it. Then I'm going to let some more ribbon out, leave it loose, go the next set of pipe cleaners all the way down the Yardstick door swag. Next, I'm going to be tying a large bow to go underneath the sign, and all of my ribbon came from Sam's Club last Christmas in this video. Some of the Sam's Club ribbon is not the best quality, and it's not the easiest to work with. Now, some of the ribbon is great quality too, but the ones I happen to pick out for this bow are not the easiest to work with. But here I'm going to tie a large bow, and I'm going to place this bow beneath the sign, and then I'm going to also tie a smaller one for the bottom of the Yardstick door swag. to attach my sign, I just used a zip tie. I just threaded it through the little hanger at the top and then used some hot glue to attach the sign to the top. Then to wire my bow on, I just threaded a piece of floral wire underneath that zip tie, and that makes it easy to attach my bow to my wreath. So I'm just going below the little candy sign, just threading the pipe cleaner through the mesh, then going to go to the back, give the wires a few twists, then cut them off short and fold them down. I did tie a smaller bow for the bottom, and then the little peppermint candies that I had from Hobby Lobby, I just hot glued a piece of candy to the center of each bow, and then I had a big large shatterproof ornament that I hot glued to the middle. So I guess that's it, guys. I just made sure and fluffed everything, made sure everything was going in the right direction. And today it's really hot outside and it is so windy, so my wreath did not want to stay still for me to film the end video. I hope you enjoyed watching this Christmas in July tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber.